one section of a certain ecosystem which actually leaves no opportunity to deride and mock our forces. It was Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh who offered prayers at the revered Ujjain Mahakaleshwar Mandir. He was joined by the Chief of Army Staff, as both the men seen practicing their faith, performing rituals as per tradition, and after the prayers, the Raksha Mantri said that his long pending wish had come true.
लंबे समय से हमारी यह उत्कट इच्छा थी कि भगवान महाकालेश्वर का मैं दर्शन करूं और आज ये अवसर मुझे प्राप्त हुआ। मेरा जीवन धन्य हुआ, ये मानता हूं।
But as the pictures and the videos of their puja began doing the rounds on social media platforms, some leaders from the opposition jumped in to mock and taunt, including that from the TMC, MP Saket Gokhale, who took to X to say, and I quote, "Where after Defence Minister tying Nimbu Mirch to Rafale fighter jets, this is our newest glorious moment. Our enemies must be shivering in their boots seeing this," unquote. There was another Supreme Court lawyer, Prashant Bhushan, who also weighed in and remarked, and I quote, that this picture of the army chief reviewing operational preparedness will certainly deter the Chinese from taking any more of our territory, unquote. Now, this opposition's mockery has triggered a fresh face-off between the BJP and the Vipaksh.
अब चूंकि राजनाथ सिंह जी वहां गए हैं तो लगता है कि आर्मी चीफ उस मंदिर के महंत हैं जो राजनाथ सिंह की अगुवाई कर रहे हैं। आर्मी के का जो लोग हैं वो किसी भी धर्म के साथ नहीं जुड़ते हैं, वो हर एक की हिफाजत करते हैं। तो ऐसा लगता है कि मंदिर का महंत है जो राजनाथ सिंह की वो पूजा में मदद कर रहा है। तो इट शुड नॉट हैपन।
No question of insulting any god and goddesses. Mr. Rajnath Singh or army chief, they are free to perform puja or rituals, etc. But together doing it, that means it becomes official. The allegations against the BJP, that BJP is against the constitution right from the beginning, proves it. Rajnath and army chief, being in position of defense minister and army chief, in the capacity of the government or public servant, go and do it day and night in personal capacity, but they're not at the cost of the constitution.
देखिए, समाजवादी पार्टी को इस पे कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करनी है। देश की सीमाएं कैसे सुरक्षित होंगी, चीन के साइड से जो घुसपैठ है वो कैसे रुकेगी, देश की आंतरिक और बाहरी सुरक्षा कैसे होगी, समाजवादी पार्टी इस पर सवाल पूछती रही है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार केवल बड़े बड़े दावे, बड़े बड़े वादे करती रही है। देश में के अंदर अभी भी आतंकी घटनाएं रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रही हैं।
ये जो सुरक्षा का मामला है और देश के उससे जुड़ा हुआ मामला है, उसमें राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक है, चाहे वो धर्म से मुद्दा जुड़ा हुआ हो, चाहे हमारे सुरक्षा से मुद्दा जुड़ा हो, चाहे हमारे सैनिकों के जीवन से जुड़ा हुआ हो, उनका जीवन, देश की सुरक्षा, ये गौर नजर आता है और उनके दिमाग में निकल रहता है कि इसका राजनीतिक फायदा हमको कैसे मिल जाए। तो उस भावना से जो इस तरह के काम किए जाते हैं, निश्चित रूप से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
Now, with the reactions coming in 2019, the same ecosystem went on an overdrive and targeted the Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh when he performed the traditional Shastra Puja on the Rafale fighter jets, when he had taken the delivery of the first of the 36 jets at a ceremony in France's Mérignac in 2019. Now, recently, the same group also targeted the former CGI for inviting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for a Ganesh Puja at his residence. And now the Raksha Mantri and Army Chief's Mahakaleshwar visit has triggered unsavory commentary coming in from the opposition side. The BJP, which is now reminding the Vipaksh how they have to historically targeted our forces by seeking sabut of surgical strikes and by also is raising questions about their bravery and their valor.
अगर इफ्तार पार्टी हो, 5,000 रुपए की चांदी की थाली में खाना परोसा जाए और वो यूपीए सरकार करे, तो वो सेक्युलरिज्म है। लेकिन अगर सभ्यता जो हमारी है, जिस पे हमें गर्व है, अगर हम उसका पालन करते हुए राफेल आया और पूजन किया गया, इससे ज्यादा पवित्र क्या हो सकता है? अगर चाहे प्रधानमंत्री हो, रक्षा मंत्री हो, अपने धर्म का पालन करता है जिससे किसी को ठेस नहीं पहुंचती है, तुष्टीकरण करने वाली पार्टियां जो हैं इनको दर्द होता है।
जिस प्रकार से टीएमसी के सांसद साकेत गोखले ने राजनाथ सिंह जी और आर्मी चीफ का मखौल और मजाक उड़ाया है, क्योंकि वो उज्जैन महाकाल मंदिर में पूजा अर्चना कर रहे थे। हिंदू आस्था के प्रति इतनी घृणा है, हिंदू देवी देवताओं के प्रति इतनी घृणा है। अभी अखिलेश जी ने कहा कि मुख्यमंत्री के घर के नीचे जाकर शिवलिंग ढूंढो। इससे पहले हमने देखा राम मंदिर प्राण प्रतिष्ठा को नाच गाना कहा गया। साल के अंत आते आते भी इसी प्रकार का हिंदू आस्था पर चोट और हिंदू आस्था का अपमान करना जो शुरुआत से हमने देखा है।
सनातन को डेंगू, मलेरिया, एड्स कहने वाले लोगों को आज इस बात से चिढ़ है कि आर्मी चीफ जो है वो प्रभु भगवान महाकाल के मंदिर में पूजा कर रहे हैं, देश की खुशहाली के लिए पूजा कर रहे हैं। ये वही लोग हैं जब हिंदुस्तान की सेना ने चीन को मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया था तो ये चीन की पैरवी कर रहे थे। ये वही लोग हैं जो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के वक्त में प्रूफ मांग रहे थे। आज वापस से साबित हो चुका है कि हमारे देश का विपक्ष जो है वो हिंदू विरोधी है, सनातन विरोधी है और आर्मी और आर्म फोर्सेस और देश की राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा विरोधी है।
My dear snakes of the sleeves, our leaders are praying to Mahakaleshwar that in the coming next year, the new year, our nation must be saved from snakes in the sleeves also, which are more dangerous than the enemies you are talking about. So this is all prayer for the almighty nation under the leadership of Modi ji.
Well, let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Pradeep, good afternoon. Is it really necessary, as far as the question really arises from hearing when it comes to the commentary coming in from certain leaders of the Vipaksh, to even question when it comes to the faith and the rituals of certain leaders, whether they are part of the government or any government office, to be questioned?
See, slandering Sanatan has become part of their DNA. This is not first time they are doing this. They have done it in the past also. They have become the repeat offenders in this regard. So secularism doesn't mean that you don't follow your faith, you don't practice your faith. Secularism means that you respect other faith. And as a practicing Hindu, if they are offering prayers at Mahakaleshwar temple, there's nothing wrong. And I think they have forgotten the Sabhyata and Sanskriti of India that clearly indicate that before doing any good work, you should always take name of the Almighty and the God. And that's what actually they are doing here in this case. Also, just few hours are left for this. We'll be bidding adieu to 2024 and we'll be entering New Year. So everybody wants that New Year should be good, peace, prosperity, safety, security and integrity of the country. I think there's nothing to mock about that. Tomorrow they are the same people who look at each and everything with the communal glasses because they are sitting in the ivory towers and giving such kind of a commentary. They have never ever been to either international border or line of control or ever been with the armed forces. Had they been with the armed forces, they would have really understood their culture, because tomorrow they are even going to dub those war cries like Jai Bajrang Bali, Bole Sonihal, even Allahu Akbar as communal war cries. So there is nothing about Hindutva or communal about this thing. Everybody can go to temple. Everybody has right. In fact, look at the ridiculous statement that is being given by even National Conference leader. He says that Upendra Tripathi, Chief of the Army Staff, is looking like a Mahan. Tomorrow, he has never ever found anybody wearing those topi or sporting that beard looking like a Molana. So if somebody is following their faith, there's nothing wrong in that, I think. But unnecessarily, they are the same people. You rightly said when in 2016 first surgical strike was carried out, they called it a surgical strike. When in 2019 Indian Air Force was able to decimate Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters, they asked for the sabut that where actually the Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters has been decimated, how many people have died. So they had been doing this thing, and just 2 days back we saw that Akhilesh Yadav, he said that if we should dig the land of where the Yogi Adityanath is putting up, there also we can find Shivling. They have forgotten one thing. If we talk about India's Sabhyata, Sanskriti, is his कंकर में शंकर है. That what actually Atal Bihari Vajpayee had said long back. इसके बिंदु बिंदु में गंगा है. कल जब हम मरेंगे और अस्थियां बहाई जाएंगी.
And that is the very unity that defines the beauty of our nation.